Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a friend on your WeChat account. So let's get started right away. Now, when someone sends you a friend request on your WeChat account, if you have turned on notifications within the app, then you will receive a notification on your notification pane, from which you can simply tap on the view button and this will take you into the friend request page. If you wish to accept this friend and verify this request, simply tap on the Go Confirm button. Once you tap on this, you can choose your preference and the privacy settings for this user, and after setting your preference, tap on the Done button and this user will be verified as your new friend. You can also open up the WeChat application on your device, and from the home page, tap on Contact at the bottom section. From the Contacts page, you can tap on New Friends, which will show you all of the requests that you have received on WeChat as well. Just tap on the Accept button and this will accept the friend request of this user. Once again, you can modify your settings based on your preference and tap on the Done button and this user will be verified as your friend right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify someone as a friend on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.